Hello guys, welcome to Pixel Design Arts, and today we are going to see the topic called what is a pixel. So as our thumbnail is concerned, you can see the picture of MS here and the title is given here, what is a pixel. So our today's video is nothing about the MS, it is more about the pixels over the image of a MS. So here we go to understand the pixel theory first. So here we go. Yeah. So what is the pixel? So pixel, you can divide the pixel into two words, and you can see pixel is divided into pix and another word is el. So first pix stands for the picture, el stands for the element. So you can see totally what we can say it as a pixel element, it becomes a pixel. So what is a pixel actually? So it is the smallest element of any image is called as pixel. It is a smallest element. It is the smallest element of any image, that is we call it as a pixel. So pixel is a unit to count or map any image. Pixel is the unit. It is the unit to count or map any image or picture with its width and height. So every picture has some width and height. So how we can count? That is the pixel is the unit to count the any image. So one more thing. So more resolution brings more pixels brings the more size, and ultimately the size of the DSLR images comes in the MBs, megabytes. So let's go to see the practical what is the pixel, how we can measure it. So here we go. So we have this picture right here, correct? So I have this picture, I am zooming it, and see guys, pixel is nothing but the physical existence where we can see what is the pixel. So how we can see the physical existence of the pixel? So here we go to increase the image with its max size. So I am increasing it, control plus plus plus, and it is going to increase. Now see guys, this is the max level we have come, and this is the 3200% of the any image, where you can see there are many more pixels. You can see 1 pixel is equal to, what is the physical existence of pixel, is equal to 1 pixel is equal to 1 square. So here you can see this is a 1 square, not this. So this is a 1 square, and this is individually count as a 1 2 3 4 5, means how many pixels comes in a width and how many pixels comes in a height. That becomes totally we can calculate the size of the image. So what is the size of the image? See, control minus, I am zooming out. So here the image of MS right here. Okay, so again, so I am checking the size of the image. Go to the image menu and here check the size, alt control I, and you can see here what is the size of the image, 928 pixels width and height of 568 pixels, means there are 928 the width pixels are present in a width, means horizontally, and vertical 568. So it totally becomes 928 by 568 pixels. So this is how we can calculate or map any image by this method, and this is the physical existence of a 1 pixel. 1 pixel is equal to 1 square. So this is how what we call it as a pixels, and this is what the our title of the thumbnail is, what is a pixel. Pixel is nothing but the picture element, smallest element of any image, it is called as a pixel. I hope you understand what is pixel. Thank you for watching my video, friends. If you do like my video, please do comment, like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any query about my videos, then please comment below. I will be there to solve it out. Thank you. Stay connected. Bye.